Royal greetings from the House of Oduduwa. I am Ooni of Ife. I'm lending my voice from the throne of my forebears and my ancestors as a father and traditional ruler in our dear country, Nigeria, for campaign against measles and rubella diseases. We want to thank the National Primary Health Care Development Agency and their other partners globally for their bullish and dedicated support towards the eradication of measles and rubella diseases eating hard on our children. I want to specifically appreciate their effort thus far. It has now been affirmed that this ailment can be vaccinated. It's been proven and tested that with the vaccines for all our children, they will be measles rubella free. I want to join all parents, guardians, caregivers, and lend my voice to implore each and every one of them to go to the nearest primary health care centers or near hospitals and several other aid agencies for them to take the vaccination of measles rubella disease. It's about time for us to work towards how to eradicate these diseases hitting hard on our children and the future of our younger children. It is very important for our dear nation, for all of us to join hands in conjunction with what primary health care and the federal government in conjunction with Ministry of Health are doing in order to spread the word and campaign for the vaccination to spread across the entire four corners of our country. This vaccine is proven not to be counterproductive to the growth of our children. We should have it at the back of our mind is for them to live a better life and to have a better future in terms of health and growing and having healthy living. On this note, I want to implore parents, once again, caregivers, guardians, and everybody that love the future of our children. It is about time for us to bring a complete stop to these diseases affecting the growth and progress of our children. God bless our dear nation, Nigeria. God bless our young children, the future generation of our country. And God bless the entire people of our country. Thank you very much. We're the closest to our people, and in lieu of this, we are very strong advocates for things like this, because information is power. We need to let them know that the apathy of it is not going to be counterproductive. We had the issue during COVID-19, but we all came out of our kingdoms and we came out very strongly. And to the glory of God, the success story of what we recorded in Nigeria, nobody in the world recorded it. The Western world thought in this country that is so densely populated, over 200 million people, that we will be dropping dead on the road and on the streets. But we beat them in terms of advocacy, in terms of preparedness, and just-in-time response time. So for us, the apathy is something that we have actually perfected, and also it is strong advocacy like this that will continue to make it spread.
No, actually, my question also was going to be about tackling vaccine apathy and then taking care of it, because I actually wanted to know specifically what you intend to do. As in, is it going to be a town hall? Is it going to be sending people out there to, to educate the people about the benefits of having their children take these vaccines?
Well, what I've done, like I mentioned to you, we traditional rulers, we play a very pivotal role in nation building. We're very close. We're the closest to our people. We know the good, we know the bad, we know the ugly. With what I've done now, a lot will cut it out, interpret it to Yoruba, interpret it to every language, and spread it within the community. Also, this will actually trigger town hall meetings and a lot of community engagements. We have done it before. During COVID-19, we were at the forefront, we traditional rulers in this country, and it worked. So for this new vaccine for rubella and measles, we're doing it again. So we don't change the winning team. We have a role to play, and we are playing that role, and that's why we're here. Today, one of the agencies that got it right is the agency of National Primary Health Care Development Agency. They got it right because they work very, very closely with us, both in the north and in the south. And the reason why they are recording a lot of success is because of using the platform of the traditional institution. So many things that we've been able to work with them. Look at the eradication of polio. It was the traditional institution that worked very closely with National Primary Health Care Development Agency, and so many other things that we do. Everything as it's coming up, the response time is out of this world. So for us, it's an agency that doesn't joke with the traditional institution of our country.